Hello everyone, my name is Deshmukh, working as an assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. In this video, we are going to learn 3D modeling using Autodesk Fusion. The learning outcome: at the end of this session, the learner will able to draw 3D models using Autodesk Fusion software. Okay, we will draw this particular orthographic model into a 3D model using Fusion, Autodesk Fusion software. So this is the user interface of Autodesk Fusion. So we'll first draw a top view of this particular object. Okay, it will be this particular plate, base plate of length 65 and width 48. So I will draw a sketch, and I will draw this particular sketch in the top view. I will select a rectangle, center rectangle form. Then I need to provide the length and width. It is 65 by 48. Just click on the finish sketch. This is the correct view. Okay. Then I need to provide the details, like this fillet is there of radius 10 and this particular hole which is provided over here of diameter 10 mm. Okay. So I will just go to the sketch again. Okay, then I will provide the fillet over here of radius 10 mm. Then I will draw a circle of diameter 10 mm. Okay, then I will press this finish sketch. Oh, I think I have drawn it at a wrong place. I need to draw the fillet over here, right? So it is over here. So okay, I will draw a sketch again. Fillet here of radius 10 and a circle of diameter 10 mm. Then click on the finish sketch. Then I will just extrude this particular portion by the height of, it is 12 mm. Okay, 12. Enter. Now I need to draw this particular face over here, which is at the back side of this particular portion. So I will draw a rectangle, this particular outline shape. Okay, so I need to go to the back plane over here. Okay, I need to draw a sketch from this plane. So select this sketch, this particular face. Then I will draw this particular boundary lines. Okay, with I will start over here. The total height over here is, it is 82 plus 18, but out of 82, 12 we have consumed in the base plate. So the height will be, it is 82 minus 12 plus 18, right? It is 88. The height is 88. Then I will draw this particular line of length 110. Again, line, L is a shortcut. I will draw 110 mm of line. Then again line, I will drop down it by 27 mm length. It is of length 27. Then again line, it is going inside by 12 mm. 12. Here we need to take it down by 5 mm. Okay, they have not provided this particular length over here, but I will assume that this is coming down by radius by the length of 5 mm. Then I need to draw this particular arc over here of radius 70 mm. Okay, so I will just select the arc. It is 3-point arc. Okay, one of the point is this, the second point is over here, and the third point will be inside this particular body. So I will provide here. Then I need to provide the dimensions of that particular arc of radius 70 mm. Okay, we have drawn a arc, 3-point arc over here, right? The first one is this, second one is this, and third one for to provide the direction of that particular arc. Then I need to complete this particular sketch, so I will provide a line here. Okay, we have created the outline of this particular face. Now I need to draw this particular circle, 2 circles. Okay, then this particular notch here. Okay, now line from this particular point, it is 50. So from this point, it is at a length of 50 mm. Then it is coming downward by 18 mm. We have located this particular center of that particular circle. Okay, I will just take out this particular all these dimensions, so it will not get confused. Okay, now I need to draw a circle. It is of length, it is of diameter. The outer circle is of diameter 50, right? It is given R25, so it is of diameter 50 mm. Then again circle, the circle of inside diameter, inside circle, the diameter is of 20 mm, so I will provide a diameter 20 mm. Right, now I need to trim those particular unwanted parts like this. Okay, and again I will delete this also, this also. Okay, now I need to provide the notch over here, right? So I will just skip to delete those points. Actually I required those points. Okay, then line, I will create a notch of 16 by 3 mm. Okay, so I will provide here at 8 mm, and then I will draw a rectangle with length 16 mm and width 3 mm. And I will need to delete all those unwanted lines again. We have drawn a 8 mm line over here to just for the construction purpose. Now we can trim those lines. Okay, so I will trim this. Okay, now it is perfect. Now I need to provide this particular rib also here. Okay, then again a line, shortcut is L. It is at a height of 12 mm. Okay, so it is from here. Again line, I drawn a line, and I will trim this unwanted part again. We have drawn almost all features. Just we'll check that whether all the parts have been covered or not. Okay, we need to provide a fillet over here of radius 10 mm and again a circle of radius diameter 10 mm. So these are at this particular point. Okay, so a fillet to this particular line or corner with 10 mm radius, then a circle again at this particular center point, and its diameter is 10 mm. So we have drawn all these particular features over here. Now I will just finish this sketch. I will go to the isometric view. Okay, now I need to extrude these particular parts. We need to extrude by 12 mm only the wall, it is of 12 mm, and then the circle, whole circle with the length of 60 mm. So I will just provide extrude of this particular wall in opposite direction. It is minus 12 mm. Okay, now I will just show all the sketches here. Now I need to extrude this particular circle by length of again 60 mm. I need to provide a minus 60 to alter its direction. Now I will just hide the sketch over here. we have drawn this sketch. Now I need to provide this particular rib of length 10 mm. Okay, it is shown in this particular view. So I need to provide the rib over here. So I need to construct a plane. Okay, I need to construct a plane from this particular offset, and it is of 17 point at a length of 17.5 mm. Okay, so that we can draw a rib over here. And then create the sketch. In this particular sketch, then line, I need to locate all the points. So it is line from this particular origin to the height of 12 mm. Okay, then line, it is at the distance of the total width is 48, so it will be half. Okay, so 48 divided by 2, it is 24. We have got the particular point. Then line, it is height of 45, the vertical line. Then line, and we need to locate this also, it is of length 12. Okay, then line, we are just creating a rib over here. Okay, join these points. Now delete the construction lines, we don't require those lines. Then we'll create the outline of that particular rib. It is of 48. Then line, it is length 45, and again line, and join these two end points. Complete the sketch, and we need to extrude this particular rib by equal distance. So select the symmetry and provide the distance as a 5. Okay, we have drawn a rib as shown in figure, but if you zoom in, you'll find a gap over here. Okay, it is gap over here, so we need to press pull this particular by some length. Take it as a suppose 1 mm. Okay, then go to the modifier. We have some extended part over here. Okay, so go to the split body. We need to split this particular body along the curve of this particular circle. Okay, click. So we have divided that particular body into two bodies now, and go to the bodies now. The second one is extra body, so I will just right click here and I will remove it, so that we can find the rib as a circle over here, and we have provided the support to this particular extended circle. Okay, so this is our exact 3D model or isometric 3D model of this particular orthographic view. Okay, these are the references. Thank you.